again. You can't pull back. I'll pull back.
Oh, okay.
Okay, too much. Amigos and amigas, let's begin our room tour. The very first start is, of course, here 2 coffee cup mug, okay, and heater, and additional 2 complimentary water. So it's nice, right? It's a free, as you know already, my amigos and amigas. I love free. And the closet, they have an iron here and also a bathrobe, but it's only one. Maybe we can request for another because me and my sexy bestie are gonna enjoy this day and tomorrow. So come, let's view the entire room. As we requested, my amigos and amigas, me and my bestie request 2 separate bags, one for me and one for her. So this one is very soft, and 2 lights, of course, so digital clock as well. So it's really nice and comfy. And we have a TV monitor here, which we will on later. And here, maybe we can do some vlogs later on, or we're gonna eat here. So it depends upon later. And of course, additional sitting couch, chair, so we can relax for a while. And of course, my amigos and amigas, let's begin our view here. So view of orchard. Here, my amigos and amigas, let's see. See big buildings and a lot of car. So you know, my amigos and amigas, the VOCO Hotel is just recently opened here in Singapore. According to my research, this is previously, the location, it was previously a Hilton Hotel. So it's just a wonderful location because just nice, because in the center of Singapore. Let's go to the toilet, my amigos and amigas. But it's very nice and clean. So the free are 2 towel, dental kit or toothbrush, and Virginia lavender hand soap, and also body lotion, and 2 cups if we're brushing our teeth, and 2 towel, and also a small bathtub. Oh, additional robe, by the way, I forgot, it's 2, and towel there. Okay, later maybe I will dip myself if still have time. Okay, thank you. So another one they included, my amigos and amigas, is here a safety locker, which in you will provide a password. And also another one, my amigos and amigas, is a hair blower, by the way. So this one, and of course slippers too, together me and my sexy bestie. You know what, my amigos and amigas, I feel very exciting on this staycation together, of course, with Zelda. Not only that, I'm so thankful to her because she's always on the go. It's gonna be memory for me because, as you know already, my amigos and amigas, I'm living Singapore. And also, my amigos and amigas, additional room tour is this a fridge, small fridge. This one. Okay, this one. So that's it. It's the room tour of the VOCO Hotel. Previously, the location is Hilton. Okay, that's my bestie doing a vlog because she's so passionate. Okay, wanna see her? Okay.
Hello, amigos and amigas! Watch out for my bestie's vlog because she will be soon to be US citizen bestie.
Paano, friend? So this is the bed, my amigos and amigas. It's very soft. I'm gonna be enjoying this one. As you know already, my amigos and amigas, VOCO Hotel is one of the international hotel group. So it just got here in Singapore. So we will enjoy. By the way, my amigos and amigas, the complimentary for this hotel is we have a free complimentary breakfast. So me and my sexy bestie will eat there. And also, we are a nurses here in Singapore. We have a discount. So healthcare promotion for nurses for the COVID times. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, my amigos and amigas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me. And there's Zelda.
Bye, amigos, amigas.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling in love with me. Little sweet spice.